Alright, what we're going to do today is we're going to see if we can't change this clear vinyl. I accidentally broke it here in cold weather. We were taking a trip a few weeks ago. It was pretty cold. I tried to wind it up. You know, just want to tell you, this ain't a how-to on how to make these vinyl covers. This is just, because there's plenty of very good people on YouTube that's doing it. This is just me doing this one. That looks good. Put too much seam stick on there, but I just didn't want it to stick all over the place. Because you know, while I'm working on it, this would lay down there and stick. So, anyhow, I know that radius is a little tight, but I'm trying to make this small, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, like I said before, this is this ain't a how-to. This is try to do it yourself after you've watched how-tos. Okay, let's try that. Hit the bolt on the motor with my vinyl. Alright, there it was. See what we got. Okay, here's the moment of truth. We've sewed up, put all new vinyl in, put a U-zip in. Let's see if it fits. As you can see, I made these vinyl windows. It wasn't bad. I mean, I'm not going to claim that I'm going to be that this is a how-to. It was just how I did it, and that's just from watching others who made it their own. So I'm happy with them. Right there where that corner bends around, it's a little bit. It could have maybe been a little tighter right here or something, but I don't know that would have fixed it. The one on the other side is the same way, and that's the original one. So anyhow, if you like the content, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, stay safe on the water. Take care.